A late fee waiver letter is a formal request asking a company, lender, landlord, or service provider to remove a late payment penalty from your account. This letter can be very important because a well-written request may help you avoid unnecessary charges, maintain a positive account history, and preserve a good relationship with the company. A weak or unclear request may be denied, so your letter should be respectful, honest, professional, and clearly explain your situation. So, here is how you write it. Sender information. This is the first part of the letter where you provide your personal contact details. For example, Sophia Martinez, 1458 Willow Creek Drive, Phoenix, Arizona 85001. sophia.martinez@email.com, 602-555-8142. This section establishes your identity. For tip, make sure your contact details match the information associated with your account. Date, for example, December 3rd, 2026. After your contact details, include the date the letter is written. This is important because it creates an official record of your waiver request. For tip, submit your request as soon as possible after the late fee is charged. Recipient information. This section identifies the person or department receiving your request. You should include the recipient's name or billing department, company name and address. For example, billing department, Sunrise Financial Services, 8900 Corporate Plaza, Denver, Colorado 80202. This ensures your letter reaches the right department. For tip, double-check the company's billing or customer service address before sending. Subject line. The subject line clearly states the purpose of your letter. This helps the recipient quickly understand your request. For example, subject, request for late fee. Waiver for account 78459-216. This makes your request clear immediately. For tip, always include your account number to help speed up account identification. Salutation. This is your formal greeting. It keeps your letter professional and respectful. For example, Dear Sir or Madam, or Dear Billing Manager. For tip, if you know the specific person handling your account, address them directly. Opening paragraph. In this paragraph, you clearly state your request. You should mention your account number and the amount of the late fee. For example, I am writing to respectfully request a waiver of the late fee charged to my account, number 78459-216, in the amount of $45. This immediately tells the recipient what your letter is about. For tip, be direct and polite from the beginning. Explanation paragraph. Here you explain why the late payment occurred. This is one of the most important parts of the letter because it provides the reason for your request. For example, the late payment occurred due to an unexpected medical emergency that temporarily affected my ability to process the payment on time. I sincerely apologize for this delay and any inconvenience it may have caused. This gives context to your request. For tip, be honest and concise. Avoid overly detailed personal explanations. Payment confirmation paragraph. This section confirms that you have already resolved the payment issue. This is very important because companies are more likely to grant a waiver if the account is current. For example, please note that I have since made the payment of $850 on November 28, 2026, and my account is now current. I value my relationship with Sunrise Financial Services and have consistently made every effort to maintain timely payments. This demonstrates responsibility. For tip, always mention the exact payment date and amount. Courtesy request paragraph. Here you respectfully ask for the waiver as a one-time consideration. This is where you make your formal appeal. For example, this late payment was an isolated incident, and I kindly ask for your understanding and consideration in waiving the late fee as a courtesy. I am committed to ensuring that future payments are made on time. This shows accountability. For tip, emphasize that this was an unusual situation. If that is true, final request paragraph. This is your closing request for favorable consideration. For example, I would greatly appreciate your favorable consideration of this request. Please let me know if any further information is required. This keeps your tone respectful and professional. For tip, keep this paragraph polite and concise. Thank you statement. For example, thank you for your time and understanding. This shows appreciation. For tip, courtesy can make your request more persuasive. Closure, for example, sincerely, this is your formal sign-off. For tip, always use professional closings for financial correspondence, signature and account details. Finally, include your name, account number, and reference number if applicable. This helps the company locate your account quickly. For example, Sophia Martinez, account number 78459-216, reference number LF-2026-4532. For tip, double-check all account and reference numbers for accuracy. Before we wrap up, here are some important overall tips you should always remember when writing a late fee waiver letter. Always remain respectful and professional, even if you feel frustrated about the charge. Be honest about the reason for the delay, confirm that your payment has already been made, and clearly explain why the fee should be waived. Most importantly, maintain a polite tone and show your commitment to making future payments on time. So that's how you write a late fee waiver letter step by step. As you can see, every part of this letter helps present your request clearly and increases your chances of receiving a favorable response. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Writing Practices, for more writing tutorials, and I'll see you guys in the next video.